i-Blason sent us their Z Flip 7 phone case so we could show you the features and let you know our thoughts. I love this frosted case. I love that it is matte. The clear is nice, and I don't think it's going to have that annoying yellowing that some of the phone cases get after a while. You have the MagSafe strip. You also have a kickstand here, which is really, really nice to enjoy your phone in landscape or in portrait. Let's go ahead and put it on the phone. They did send a dummy device, so that was really nice of them. All you do is snap it in place on both sides. It's very easy to put on, and voila, there you go. Your phone is fully protected. It does have a tempered glass screen on this side. It is raised like most of their cases, so it's going to protect your camera and the screen of your phone. You do have the slots, of course, for all your buttons and charging ports in the speakers there, so that's nice. When you open it up, it is flat, so there is no curved edge on the face of this part of the phone. So when you lay it down, just be cognizant that the screen is going to lay flat on the screen, but when you close it, there is not going to be any seam. What's also really nice about this is they send some extra adhesive strips to protect any dust from getting into the case. And it gives you instructions on how to place those. But overall, i-Blason is a great case, superior to most of the others, and we would highly recommend.